Oh, we
Defend the
playing
assets.
Demolition.
We need
I
at least
haven't
one
played this
operational
in
for mission
fucking
success.
forever. Oh, they're all pushing B. They're all pushing A.
Enemy at the center. Enemy at the shipping area.
Get to Bravo.
You got him, G?
Yeah.
Oh shit, they got B.
Shit, as long as we hold A. No, Julio, go back to where you were. Go back to where you were. Hold that corner.
Bomb
There's something
defused.
left.
Well done.
Left side. Wow, you should have been dead. With a shotgun or a tank. Dude, you're dead or you're dead?
I'm alive.
I'm taking fire.
I got him. Good shit. Oh, 3 of them just pulled up on me. They're pushing A, guys. Yeah, just letting you know. You guys are amazing. You guys are doing great.
Enemy bomb at Alpha. Go now.
What the hell?
Allied UAV
Bro, come
overhead. Bomb defused. Well done.
I hit him with a ninja diffuse. They're so bad. Gotta take the whole team out. Ready? One.
No, I'm about to get my beater coming soon.
Enemy at the shipping area.
3.
They're across from us in the building.
Someone just guard me. I'm confusing again.
Bomb defused. Well done. 1 minute remaining.
Try to do it again. Guess so.
Enemy at the red door.
Bro, that's bullshit,
Cluster
bro.
strike ready for launch.
Someone just sat me down real quick. Oh, they're pushing A again?
Enemy at the shipping area.
God damn, he just got flown out of the sky.
Taking fire.
30 seconds.
They're pushing A again. So
We are out of
there's
time.
that.
Move.
We hold them for 20. And we go hold them for this 20.
There's one by BG.
Yeah, but they don't got enough time to plant. They're probably pushing A again.
Setting a charge.
Damn, G.
Maintain pressure. Next round we crush them.
Throw my shit. Bitch ass. I'm trying to get a veto.
My bad. If you're talking about that ugly ass stem tech that you threw, then I didn't steal your kill.
Switching sides.
You right. That shit was so
Demolition.
bad. Like,
He would have probably got the bomb planted if I just let you sit there. Alright, we gotta get
facts.
Bro, these niggas are ass,
A?
bro.
Targets ID'd. Destroys
Oh
those
yeah,
positions.
100%.
If you want to. See if I can see them from over here. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, they're all pushing it. They're all pushing it. Pop
they're all
up at
A.
your pod. I'm with the gang. Oh, he sniped the fuck out of me. Jesus Christ.
Allied cruise missile launched. Planting bomb on target. Keep eyes open.
Oh, y'all planning B. Goddamn, I'm not even over there, y'all boys.
Bomb planted. Set the perimeter.
I'm gonna rush plant A.
We're planting the bomb. Secure the area. Bomb planted. Set the perimeter.
Reloading.
Julio, watch A with me.
Got you. I'm upstairs.
Allied cluster strike incoming.
They're coming upstairs, G. Two of them are coming from upstairs. So
Grid is marked. Call for fire.
This is Builder 2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike away.
Hey, they going to A. They going to A. They going to A heavy as fuck.
You've got it.
Enemy at the shipping area.
Finished, go!
Got a triple kill off that shit, so there's that. Let me pick up your crowd. Let me see how good you are.
We're planting the bomb. Secure the area. Bomb set. Hold for detonation.
Enemy at the hazmat building.
Our bomb is defused. Target intact. Planting bomb on target. Keep eyes open. Friendly sentry gun online. Got a VTOL on station, ready to deploy.
Hey, go get it. Go get it. I put a sentry gun on it.
Allied UAV overhead.
He's camping by B.
Oh, you mother sucker. Alright, I'm putting a Harrier up. Y'all boys get there.
Grid is
Fuck,
marked.
I had to
Call
beat
for
it. I
fire.
blew it.
Horseman 3-2 on station, standing by.
Gen, come on.
In our spawn, straight ahead of you, see.
Understood. Starting patrol on this grid. We're planting the bomb. Secure the area. This is Horseman 3. We're taking fire. Alarm! Alarm! We're gonna crash.
Changing max.
Bro, I'm about to.
I see movement.
Ah, what a fuck. Someone got to plant, bro. We got to push this and clear the house because they're hiding hazmat.
Enemy at the hazmat building.
1 minute remaining.
I'm clearing the
Fuck,
house right now.
which end? I got
Clear
one in the
house.
building. I got the one in the building.
Yeah, there's more than one. There's like their whole team is just
Planting
sitting
bomb on
inside.
target. Keep eyes
If
open.
you plant it, I'll push out. But
Bomb
Let's
set.
go. I got one. I got the
Hold
other one.
for
Let's go.
detonation.
Plant.
Allied UAV
I'm clearing the
overhead.
house right now, dude.
all right, good shit, good shit, good shit.
Come on, get him, fucking idiots.
This is Builder 2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike away.
Stop the countdown. The bomb is defused. Allied UAV overhead.
Downstairs to the left, to the left, to the left.
Bro,
Jay.
how did they defuse it, bro? I
We're
put
down.
Downstairs, 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 downstairs. There's two of them with green lasers.
30 seconds. We are out of time. Move.
I'm in the back
Bomb
of the
planted.
thing, so
Set
I don't
the
know if I can
perimeter.
get there in time.
Allied cluster strike incoming.
Hold the ankles, that's all you gotta do.
Allied cruise missile launched.
Enemy at the center.
Friendly sentry gun online.
Watch your back, watch your back, watch your back. Oh no, we won it, we won it, we won it, we won it.
That's all it.